Number 1. 2026 Hyundai Tucson. This comprehensive 2026 Hyundai Tucson review covers pros, cons, and suitability. I can also measure it against competitors. Key 2026 developments. Non-hybrids can tow 2,750 pounds, up from 2,000. The SEL convenience trim is now premium. The XRT trim includes superior mud, snow and sand, off-road terrain modes, powertrains, efficiency, performance. The standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder with an 8-speed automatic makes 187 horsepower and 178 pound-feet. A WD optional. Front-wheel drive gets 28 miles per gallon, but a WD gets much less. Base gasoline engines are pokey, whereas hybrids and plug-in hybrids have pep. Ride, handling, comfort. On rough roads, the Tucson rides well. Manageability, confidence, non-sport. Clear guidance, a cozy cabin. Cornering rarely overwhelms. Hyundai improved interior tech layout, materials and quality. Good rear seat and cargo space. Safety, tech, features. Top safety score. Tucson is IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus and HTSA 5-star. Lane keeping, centering, and adaptive cruise control reduce highway fatigue. Value, cost, warranty. Depending on AWD, base trims cost $30,700 to $31,000 and premium trims $40,600 to $41,000. The powertrain is protected for 10 years and 100,000 miles with good supplementary coverage, like other Hyundais. Many features, comfort, and safety are affordable, where insufficient base gas model accelerates poorly. For quick answers or highway merging, a hybrid or PHEV may work best. AWD doesn't improve gas engine efficiency like competitors. Infotainment, connectivity, and CarPlay difficulties plague similar Tucson vehicles. Finally, who gains? Consider the 2026 Tucson for its spacious, comfy, and stylish small SUV, as well as its safety, technology, and current interior design. Better towing capability than prior Tucson versions, if you rarely haul light goods. Good warranty and many features for the price. Some Tucson competitors may do better. Fast acceleration, sporty driving, or maximum gas-only fuel economy. Number 2. Volkswagen T-Roc 2026. Official launch photographs and in-depth reviews suggest the 2026 Volkswagen T-Roc is better. We'll examine this tiny SUV's quirks. Exterior and size. The new T-Roc's dynamic grille, LED light bars, and lighted VW mark reflect Volkswagen's modern design. Interior room is increased by 28 mm width and 120 mm length on the 4,373 mm wheelbase. Aerodynamic improvements cut drag to 0.29. Sports automobile with 20-inch wheels, sharp overhangs, and coupe roofline. T-Roc's cockpit is basic yet elegant, with a 10-inch digital instrument cluster and 10.4 or 12.9-inch infotainment screens. Convenient and technological return driving, climate, and volume multifunction rotary dials. Head-up display, Park Assist Pro, and Travel Assist are updated. Powertrains and performance. The initial T-Rocs have 116 PS and 150 PS, 1.5-liter 48V, mild hybrid ETS front-wheel drives with a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. Full hybrid HEV systems with increased torque and efficiency will be available by 2026. Early in 2027, Golf R's 2.0-liter turbo engine may power an R Performance variant and a 4MO-TIO NAWD mild hybrid. A 20-liter boot capacity increase to 465 liters simplifies life. Wheelbase and length make the backseat adult-friendly. Between the Tiguan and T-Cross, the T-Roc fights the Mazda CX-30, Hyundai Kona, and Toyota CHR. It could be VW's last combustion engine, foreshadowing an electric future. European sales began November 2025 after the August 27, 2025 release. Indonesian import tariffs may increase by 30,000 euros to 31,700 euros, approximately 35 to 36,000 US dollars. Table summary category: highlights longer bodies, angles, and lighter bars. With big displays, controllers, and plush seats, a WD, full and mild hybrids follow. Last ICE market position, VW Tiggan vs T-Cross. Price, release date. Sales begin in November at 30 to 32,000 euros, with establishment in August 2025. A new hybrid powertrain, more space, sleeker styling, and superior interiors improve the 2026 VW T-Roc. In an electric future, its uniqueness and utility could make it the standard for small crossings. Number 3. 2026 Honda CR-V. Recent design, technology, and fuel economy advancements make the 2026 Honda CR-V a popular and practical small SUV due to fuel efficiency. Design: the exterior. A bigger front grille, smaller LED headlamps, and aerodynamic design make the car sportier and elegant. The rear gets a spoiler and revised taillights for ventilation and style. New paint colors and 20-inch wheels give buyers more customization options. Inside and comfy. Better sound insulation, ergonomic seating, and softer materials have been added to the cabin. A fully digital instrument cluster and 12.3-inch center touchscreen are included on most trims. The floor is level, legroom is considerable, and back seats are wide for passenger comfort. Load capacity rose somewhat over prior generations, internet linkages and technologies. All CR-V levels include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Head-up displays, Bose audio, and wireless software upgrades are available. Honda's new infotainment interface is faster and simpler. Performative powertrain aspects. In the 2026 Honda CR-V, a 1.5-liter turbocharged or 2.0-liter engine with 2 electric motors creates a hybrid gearbox. A hybrid system has more electricity. A WD works with any power plant. Honda hybrids now go above 42 miles per gallon, depending on design. Play factors. 5 persons fit comfortably in the chairs. Folding back seats provide 75 cubic feet of cargo capacity. The vehicle should score 28 to 42 miles per gallon, pull 1,500 pounds.